Welcome everybody to the live video. How y'all doing today? How are you doing? Let me know what's going on with your tax refund. I made sure yesterday that I put up a poll for you guys to see how everybody was doing with their refund on the community tab. A lot of you said that y'all had let me go ahead and screen share this as I can, you guys. Screen share the numbers so I remember. I thought I had it on the screen, but I didn't. If you haven't went to the community tab already, make sure that you go there, you guys. And let me see. I'm going to share this on the screen if you can see it. I know it was 30 votes, and I asked you guys, have you received any updates with your tax refund? And I had 9 comments on the community tab on my channel. 7% said yes. 93% of that 30 people said no. So that show you it's still a good many people, you guys. Even though it's a short amount of votes, I usually have people voting the rest of the week, letting me know whether or not. So those votes usually go up. The highest percentage has been no. You guys, hopefully you guys, I'm praying that you update soon. For those of you who haven't already, somebody asked me on the last video to provide more information regarding a letter. Let me see, could I get that? I'm gonna be checking some of your comments. You make sure you drop the comments down in the video, you guys. Drop your comments down in this video and I will get to you, okay? Somebody was asking me about a specific letter, and I make sure when you ask me if you need help with something, I make sure I try to provide that help for you. So I'm trying to pull up that information. Somebody asked about letter 3176C, and I'll be sharing information in a few minutes regarding that. Okay, let me go to the comments, you guys, to see what you are saying. Also, you guys, if you haven't already watched this video on my channel, My Amazing Life as a YouTuber with me and my family, make sure you check out that video as well. Okay, now I'm going to go to the comments, okay? Let's see. Hopefully this video does not pause, you guys. If you haven't already subscribed and you're new to me, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I give new tax refund updates every week all the way to December for those without the refund. Okay, hi Classy Doll. I'm retired as a tax practitioner. Yeah, it's been rough, ain't it? It's been rough, horrible. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people been saying that. I'm so sorry, Classy Doll, about that. Being a tax practitioner, a preparer, CPA is rough, especially when a lot of people are waiting on their refund. They tend to try to blame the tax preparer when the tax preparer sometime now Not all the time, but sometimes it has nothing to do with the tax preparer. It has everything to do with the IRS. Now, it is sometimes that it does be the tax preparers. A lot of people try to blame them because they ain't got their refund and they thinking it's something the tax preparer did, but it's the IRS. It depends on your refund. It depends on your tax return, you guys. The information on it. You can't, don't do that. People be blaming them. The senator and congressman can only help if hardships are occurring, such as evictions. Wow. Wow. Is there, are we there yet? We there now? I guess they're getting so many people. That's what they're saying. That's what they telling you guys, that they can't help you because of the hardships. Probably because they're getting so many people. I see you, Jay Combs. Welcome to the channel. He said our money was sent to Ukraine. I hope not. I hope not. But I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying. I filed 200 people and only 2 people for theirs. 2 people are waiting. That's what you're saying. Why an additional 60 days? It happens. It happens. It happened last year, Classy Dog. It happened last year. I mean, I know you guys that they're giving a lot of money away, and it's stimulus money and all that we've been seeing through the pandemic, but they're still giving them money. This the president. But this has already happened. 60 days was last year. That's why I gave you guys a update before tax season ended, that I did the refund updates all the way to December, and some people still did not get it. So they did do that. Some people kept getting 60 days, then 60 days, which a lot of you are falling in 120 days, and then a lot of people you know, get another 60 days. I mean, it was all the way to December, and some people on my channel, you guys, still didn't get their money. So this is nothing new, you guys, and I understand how a lot of you must feel. And Classy Doll, I know what you mean by prepare. I know you're meaning tax prepare. Let's see. After verifying my identity, they said I needed to wait 60 days. Yeah, Cherie. Is it Sherry or Cherie? I'm hoping I'm saying it right, doll. Okay. Yeah, they're getting a lot of people to 60 days, and then hopefully you will update after the 60, because some people have been getting 120 days. Yes, it's the it's the most, most definitely, but it's a lot of people are trying to blame a tax preparer that file with tax preparers. And I mean, and some people think they shouldn't pay their tax preparer, but listen, again, I'm a tax preparer, and even if you use a CPA, you guys, if you use a lawyer, if they did your tax return and they did it correctly, and it's just the IRS, I mean, you owe that money. You owe that tax preparation fee. I don't know why people think they wait this long that they shouldn't have to pay. Has nothing to do with the tax preparer. You have to check with the IRS regarding your tax return. Yeah, it is. I agree, Kimberly. Welcome. And you just have to let them know, Classy Doll. I let my clients know. If they have problems, I hadn't had a lot of problems with mine this year. I had 1 or 2 that had to wait a little while, but most of the people already got their refunds. Okay. But if you have problems with your clients, you just explain to them what's going on. You get them number to the IRS and let them speak to IRS agent, and you explain what's going on. This is nothing new. This happens every year. If your tax clients receive a form from the IRS that explains what's going on, it has nothing to do with the tax preparer. Okay. So don't let your clients, if you are having clients, stress you out. While I'm talking about clients, you guys, a lot of people been asking about partnerships with me during tax season next year. I'll be opening that up in August, you guys. Okay, I already got the courses going on, Dr. Linda Likely Shining Lights Academy. But in August, I will open up for those who are interested in partnering with me. And I'll let you know the full details. Okay, you guys, regarding that. Got theirs. How many got theirs? Was it only, how many? You said you filed over 200 people, and how many got theirs? Yeah, it happened last year, Kimberly. It happened last year, 60 days. I mean, it's according to your tax return. They tell you that. If they need additional information, they're gonna make you wait, and it's a lot of people. I hear you, tax exempt. Make sure you're eligible for tax exempt, you guys. I got a video on my channel regarding that. So yeah, there's a lot of people saying they're moving out of the country, especially because of the increase. They talking about the taxes. If you make a lot of money. Hi, Marcus. No, Marcus. Marcus said, I don't even want the money no more. Want your money now. Be patient. Want your money. Kimberly said, I'll take it. Hello? I'm sitting with my next 60 days. Okay, Marcus. LOL. Laughing out loud. Okay, you guys, y'all putting them comments in there. Are you with TPG or Republic? I am with neither. I was with Santa Barbara TPG. Was it? It wasn't last year. It was the year before last. I was with them, but I'm not with neither one of them. I'm not with neither one of them. Something happened regarding TPG and I switched, but I'm not gonna go into detail about nothing on my channel because I can't talk about it. But I'm not with TPG. Mm-hmm. That's not my bank partner. Nobody. Wow. I think it was 20. Only 2 people got. Wait a minute. Hold up now. Let me go back. You said you filed. Did you say you filed over 200 people, or did I read that wrong? And you said only 2 people got theirs. Is that correct, Classy Dog? Number 2. It depends on what the IRS is telling you on that letter. It's a review, but whatever they tell you, when they send you them notices, they go over with you. I'm just blind. Classy Dog. Woo! I know you is want to retire. Okay, let's see what. Wait a minute. Y'all are popping up so many comments. I go over that with you when you partner with me. I don't talk too much in the detail about my business unless, I go over that. A lot of stuff I don't talk about on my channel, you guys. What bank are you with? Okay, with TPG and suck, and they suck. Oh my. I had problems with them, Classy Dog, last year with my finances with TPG, so I switched. Yeah, they was having problem with TPG, and a lot of people was having money come out of that. They didn't know was coming out of it. And I tell you guys, I explain in detail. My clients, you get the full details when I go over you. If it's a problem, you can email me, and I have the live portal that you see me share a lot on my channel. That anytime when you book appointments with me on the live portal, you automatically on there. So anytime there's a problem, you can go to my live portal and say, hey, Miss Likely, there was a problem with my refund, and then I get back to you. Okay, so hopefully this tax season will have more people working with me, so it'll probably be more people coming in to your responses, my team. But that's how it goes, okay, you guys? So you can always have access to me. My clients always have access to my phone number. They and you can see it on the live portal. My customer service number is on there. My email is on there. My Facebook page is on there. My YouTube channel. You have all kind of connection. I'm not gonna just ghost you, but it's a lot of tax preparers that ghost their clients doing after tax season and don't tell them anything. I verified identity yesterday by the phone, but they told me I need to go to my local. Yeah, it's a lot of people Felix had to go. I explained that during tax season. Some people they could verify by phone or online, and some people the IRS told people to go to their local IRS office. I don't know why it's different for different people, but yes, that has happened before. Okay, that has happened before. Nope, I don't know what Kimberly. I'm getting caught up. 200 people and only two. Oh, class, I know you are ready to. Woo, and you got all them people calling your phone. Yeah, that's why you need customer service. Gotta have a customer service number because, honey, they're gonna be calling you off the hook. And that's why also my clients have access to this channel. So again, they got the live portal. They have my email address if I'm busy. They have this come on here and chat with me while I'm live. They have all access to me. So for those of you who be asking me this and that's about me, I provide full access. My Facebook page, By Grace Tax Services LLC, for you comment. I'm streaming live on LinkedIn right now. I'm on Facebook and I'm on YouTube. So my customers have full access to me to answer questions because I believe in customer service and client service too. Good customer service. If there's a problem, me and you gonna figure it out and how it works. Okay, let's see. A lot of you are popping up. Yup. Only two got theirs. Wow. Identity quizzes and clients are getting it. Just make sure, Classy Doll, my advice that you always are there and me understanding. I know some clients can be rude and upset, but just think about how they feel. Some of them been waiting for so long for their refund, so you just got to try to answer their questions the best you can. If you can't answer them, lead them to the IRS, okay? Always have a phone or email or something that they can contact you about their refund, because I know it'll drive you crazy, that many people. Okay, Marcus, my tax preparer did good last 4 years and got me in the mix this year. You sure that's the tax preparer? Because I told people it's not always just because you have great years with your tax preparer, and then this year, if something happens and it's 60 days, 120 days, that doesn't mean it's your tax preparer unless you notice it was something they put wrong on there. Do you know that for sure, Marcus? Because a lot of people again like to blame the tax preparer. It's not always the tax preparer, and the IRS will tell you that. It depends on what they say. CP05 doesn't say crap. Yeah, that's the waiting. They let you know and they'll update it on their own. That means it's an error on your tax return. It could be a simple error that they need to correct. The IRS have to correct it. It takes time for them to correct it because they have so many people that they got to correct. Millions. So it's like you be in a little batch for a little while. They put you in a batch when you most people call it the error department. That's what they were saying last year, the error department, because it's an error and they got to go through all those tax returns and then they got to go back through them and try to correct them. And then they have people steadily filing even after tax season. So what happens, people talking about filing late. Some people file later. They don't go in January and February and March, and I'm not recommending you do this, but some people do. They usually wait to April or March to file, March and April, because they want everybody to get out the way, because they know if it's an error on any of y'all returns, they will put it in a little stack and they'll get the new people that just submitted it. And that's why sometimes the people who just be done file in March and April and y'all be done file in January and February, they get a due date before you guys. That's usually what happened. So yeah, you just have to sit and wait. Yeah, I have a phone number. Ben had a phone number, Classy Doll. I have a business customer service number. Yeah, it's on my live portal. When you go to my live portal, this is my email, but this is only about business, my clients now, not anybody off the channel. I told you guys, you have any questions, you contact me on this channel about it. If you want to buy returns or anything, you contact me on there on the live. This is a live portal for my clients and clients question. No, don't don't go to my live portal about YouTube. Okay, you have to comment because that's separate. It's only business matters. I also have a newsletter. That people, and I also have a website. So Classy Doll, I have a lot information that people, this is my number. It's on the live portal. This is my customer service number that my clients can contact me. Is also on Google. So when you Google By Grace Tax Services LLC, you will see the number, you will see the email, you will see the website. All my numbers and information is on Google. That's why I tell people, you have a lot when you connect with me. I try to help you. In this tax season, I be getting more people, so I have to have a team. Okay, so it might not be always me. A lot of people think it's always me, but when you're dealing with a lot of people, you got to have a team, and I'm definitely focused on the team this year. Oh, let me see, you guys. I'm gonna have to go back to these comments. Please, like I said, if you only contact me if you're a client and have questions about business and my services. Let's see. Okay, Classy Doll, if you're interested, I'll be sharing information in August. Okay. All right. Let's see. TPG. I'm trying it. A lot of y'all are putting comments. It's sitting on some. Yeah, it's sitting. They call it the error department. But what it is a lot of tax. The IRS agents, they have to go through the, if it's an error or something, they have to put it aside because they got to correct it on their own. Okay. Some of these. Okay, I gave the phone number. Okay, let me get down. May the 27th. Oh, that's a notice was sent. Marcus, you already got a notice. They sent you another one. Sometimes if you get the 60-day 60-day notice the first time, they'll give you another one. But I don't know. But that's a notice sent to you. They owe you $15,000. I pray you get it. Woo! I pray you get it. Woo! I ain't never had a problem with my money as a tax preparer with getting my money. They always give me my money with any bank. It was just something that happened doing with my business account. Somehow they got mixed up with my business account, but they end up getting my money. So I end up getting my money. So yeah, that's a lot of money. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Hey, big superstar, welcome back. You had to wait another 60 days. Yeah, it's a lot of people. It's By Grace Tax Services, LLC. I'm live on there right now. By Grace, and make sure when you put By Grace Tax Services, you put a S on it, and it's a LLC, because it's somebody else that sometimes people be creating pages to be like other people pages, but it's on live portal as well. If you go to my live portal, I gotta hurry up because I got a screen share with you guys because somebody asked me about that. So let me share this, and then somebody had asked me something else. So I gotta go pretty quick, you guys. Time be getting away. So I'm gonna try to scroll down to show you guys. I done shared my live portal before. So I'm gonna have to me, if you can hear me, I hope this doesn't go out, because if it goes out again, then I can't come back on here. But you can go to By Grace Tax Services LLC. You should be able to Google it, and you should see all my information on there as well, Classy Dolls. Yes, it's fake pages. That's why I said be careful, because mine is By Grace Tax Services LLC. You should see my logo. Hopefully this doesn't go out, but my logo looks like this. When you go on Google, I'm putting it on the screen at the top. That's my logo. Should see my face, but yeah, they be having, you right, they be having fake pages. You got to be very careful to make sure it's me, especially when you're doing well. Yeah, if they tell you gotta amend them, if the IRS tell you gotta amend them, you gotta amend them. You amended them, okay. It takes up to 20 weeks. Take 20 weeks. Yeah, you're gonna take a while. A lot of people get that when they're amended at 971 and 977. It's gonna be a wait for you, designer me. Hopefully it won't be that long. Hey, beautiful, welcome back. I'm doing good. Still waiting on CPO 5. It's been over a year. Yes, I understand. I think, Lisa, did you do amended return? Somebody asked about designer me is talking about that. She can tell you she's been waiting a while on hers as well. Okay. So you're not the only one. And if they send you a letter about amending them, that's the time to amend them. I know that's right. Send you your money. I hear you. I hear you, big superstar. Said she been waiting since February. Yeah, good many. CPO 5, yes. I have videos on my channel, you guys, with the different letters that they send you. For those of you who want to know about the CPO 5, you don't have to do anything with the CPO 5. Just wait. They gotta adjust it. I was trying to screen share, but I'm just gonna tell this person, if it don't go out, pray it don't go out, about they got the letter notice 31. Let me see, 3176, letter 3176C. I'm on the Taxpayer Advocate, and you got full details. It says the IRS should specifically identify potential if you have a frivolous return, or something may be wrong with your they suspect any wrongful activity going on with your return. That's why you will receive it. It's on the Taxpayer Advocate website for those who want to go there, and it got full details of that letter. You guys, I was trying to screen share and let that person know. You can, if it's something wrong, then that you can appeal it. But they usually keep you informed about what's going on with those notices and those letters you receive. Yeah, a lot of people, hey Vicky, are stuck on that. Second 60-day wait. That 120. Hopefully it won't be 180 like some of them last year, because they got another 60 after the 120. Okay, let me see. Trying to get down to all you guys. Okay. Yes. Classy doll, I just think about that's a lot of tax returns. That's a lot of money. I know you want your money. That's a lot of money that them banks owe you. I'll be, woo, that'll make you mad. Not getting an email, just sitting what's really going on. Just a big wait, Shannon. Look like it. Yes, they supposed to pay you interest after so many days after tax season. They pay you interest. What question did you have on the live? Um, okay, nature, is this? Yeah, Nature Boy. Okay, you on Facebook. Yes, you see his on Facebook. You was on my live portal, then you don't you have to. I can't speak with you. I hate to tell you this, Nature Boy, but I can't speak to you regarding anything about your congressman, because that's between you and your congressman, and I'm not your tax preparer, so you cannot send me that information. Okay. If I'm not your tax preparer, I'm only helping you on this channel, you guys. If I'm not your tax preparer, I cannot discuss your tax return. Um, I can't do that. So don't send me that email regarding your congressman. Okay, I'm sorry, but I can't do it. It's against the rules of the IRS. You can only discuss if you did it yourself. You the IRS has to fix it. Okay, all that congressman. I can't talk to you about that. You sue. Woo. Yeah, you see, Nature Boy is on Facebook, on my Facebook page. You see the elf on there? I heard 45 days, then interest. Yeah. That's why I said after so many days, then you'll get the interest. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Nature Boy, but that's just how it is. I tell people, if you file with somebody else or you file it yourself, I can't do that. I can only give you advice on this channel, and then you can help yourself, or you can go to the congressman, or you go to the IRS. But I can not directly help you unless you are my client. You're doing your own audit on the IRS. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I was trying to really screen share that, and I was hoping that I could, you guys. If you need help growing your channel, one thing will definitely help you is TubeBuddy. So you can install TubeBuddy free today. You can work less and create more. TubeBuddy has a lot of features and things that help you grow your channel. So for those of you who need help, make sure you click the link down in the comments of this video to make sure that you connect with TubeBuddy and install free TubeBuddy app today. Okay. Sorry about that, you guys. I was trying to get in something, but I shared some regarding TubeBuddy. But if you need help with your channel, that link is definitely in the comments. Okay. That screen sharing, I can't screen share today because it's been having problems. They are acting in the court to their policy. They have 30 days to pay out your refund. They be saying that. But they gotta wait till your tax return. Any errors, they have to correct it. So some people again all the way to December, and some people didn't even receive it till 2024. And again, some of you get the notices 971, and it has as of date beside it. And the date you thinking, well, this is my due date. And then it could be your due date if they're finished processing. But if they're not finished processing, what they usually do on your transcripts, again, I've been sharing this tax season, they'll put a new due date on there the next time your transcript updates. You guys. You having problem, Nature Boy, with your the information that your congressman is sending you? Don't tell me any details. Or you just having problems with any details that they giving you, or that's what you're saying? Because I see you wanted me to look at it. Hey, Natty, welcome back. 60-day notice, then change to another 60 days, trying to make sure everything is adding up, saying I won't have anything until August the 29th. A lot of people are getting that 120 days. Yes, it was the same last year, you guys, and I'm sorry for those of you who are going through this. Some of you, if you feel like you done did all you could do, if you don't went to the taxpayer centers, if you don't contact your congressman, if you don't went to the taxpayer advocate, if you don't did all you can do, the thing I can tell you to do is just wait, you know. You know, big superstar, I'm not gonna put that up there, but people can see it in the chat though. I can't be political on YouTube. YouTube has a lot of changes, and we have to select in our videos whether or not this is political or what are you talking about. So certain things in the chat I will not put on the screen, but a lot of people who watch this video will be able to see. But I know that people need to send out their tax return, tax refund. I see you got stimulus on there. The stimulus, and it, you know, they had an extra time limit on them stimuluses if people didn't get it during that time. Yeah, I know you got freedom of speech, but you know, we have to go by community guidelines. You see it on the channel in the top of the chat box. And certain things us YouTube creators we have to complete doing these videos. Whether we receive funding or anything, we cannot talk about certain things. We have to make sure that if we check that box, certain things that we got to keep it on what we're talking about, you guys. But I understand all of that is connected, though. I get you. I got you. Going back and making sure I got everybody comments because they were going so fast earlier. Okay, Shanna. I see you, big superstar. You got to get a ski mask to that, huh? Let's see. I wonder if the IRS is having a freaking good laugh at us. I don't think they are. I think about they got a lot. Error department. Yeah, they call it the error department. That's what they would call it last. I did a video on that last year. It's on my channel. Rival. I don't know about a rival, but they was calling the error, ERROR department. For those who have an error on it. Yeah, a lot of people had to wait last year too, big superstar. Yeah, I told you, a lot of people, it just won you last year. Last year, you probably got your refund, but if you didn't get it, sometimes people can get their money every tax season and everything goes well and goes well and goes well, like my son did. His went well until last year. Last year, he had to wait again. He filed in February. He had to wait till late June and he got his. He had gave up on it and seen it at work. So it happens. Okay, they asking too much for making me think I might get scammed. I have scam calls all the time. Yes. Woo, you're not the only one, Nature Boy. Woo, I mean, they've been sending all kind of, they need to do something about them calls, though, for real on the cell phones, because them robocalls is getting out of hands, and you got the emails too. Yeah, I just want to make sure that they ask for all that. The best thing that you can do, Nature Boy, I can give you this advice. Do you have the number? They used to give you the number to the office. I used to call the office to my congressman. I had the email, but I also could contact them by phone, or the person in the office contacted me by phone. So to me, that's what I would do if they have a number, to make sure that, you know, I would email them back and tell me, give me the number to the office, or try to make sure it's on the website that you went to for your congressman. But I did by email, but I also talked to my congressman when I had problems on the phone. So if you want to verify like that, you can do it that way. If you think that, you know, if they have a number on that email, don't call that number if you feel like you think it's a scam. What I would do is try to go to their website and see if they have a phone number on their website, on the congressman's site. Okay. I did, it was very quiet in there. I understand it's hard to trust people with all this going on. Yeah, it's a lot of scamming and a lot of fraud. So you get why, if you feel this way, and I'm not taking up for the IRS, but if you feel this way, that's how the IRS feel with a lot of people tax returns. Because there was so much fraud during the pandemic. People were doing fraudulent returns and all kind of stuff, you guys. So they kind of checking hard this tax season. And I know you big superstar that you said that's the person that you want to vote for, back to you. But the people that in the House have control over the money, and the people over the House is a lot, has a lot to do. Also, the administration is over the House has to do with the money. So that team has to do over the money, and we know who has the majority in the House of Representatives. I'm gonna go that far. Who has the majority in the House of Representatives? So you got to know these things. Who has the majority in the House of Representatives, and who has the majority in the Senate? Because the House is over the money. So just letting you know that. What if I don't get by May the 27th? You just have to wait. Some people have that date on there beside that notice, the notice, and then they still don't get it. It's a lot of people have been on my channel during the tax season and said they date them passed by and they still didn't get the notice. But it took them 1 or 2 weeks and later it came. So you just have to wait, Marcus. The videos, a good many people had that happen to them, but eventually they got it. It's just a waiting process at that, at this point. Waiting to see if the transcript update, and sometimes they put other dates, but you just have to wait it out to see when the letter comes. 2 to 3 weeks. Some people have waited 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, unfortunately, like you said, you think if they put a date on there, that's when you're gonna receive it. But I'm telling you, a good many people have not received it on the date that they have it. They end up getting it later, way later. I was hoping I could share this with everyone. I tried to share it a while ago and I couldn't do it. But all I can tell you guys, if you got that letter that the person was asking me about, that letter 3176C, again, go to the Taxpayer Advocate site and you should be able to put it in search and it'll tell you what it is. And also, I hear you, Marcus. I hear you, Marcus. And for those again who want to go on my Facebook page on By Grace Tax Services, this is the link on the screen, with the scheduler. But I'm telling you that because I tried to screenshot it a while ago and it just went off. So the best you do is you go on there and you scroll down and you should see my links on there. You should see Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and my email, my phone number. You should see my information. Also, my website is on there too. So if you go on there on the live portal, that's why I tell you, my tax clients during tax season have full access to me with a lot of things to contact me, because I know tax season is busy. But during this tax season, you guys, again, it might not be me because I'm trying to build a team. So if it's not me, you know that it's somebody working and partnering with me during tax season. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it won't go off, you guys. I'm trying to see the comments, and sometimes it pauses. And I have to wait a little while to see your comments. But if I can't get to your comments, okay. I've been waiting on this refund since okay, Marcus. And I see you got I've been waiting on this refund since I got mine last year. I know it's a long wait. Knowing that you're not alone again. It's a lot of people. I mean, if 30 votes, and them votes gonna go up by the end of the day. If you're just not coming in and you not have voted on the community tab on have you got your refund, let me know on the community tab on what I posted yesterday, whether or not you got your refund or any updates, because we're trying to help everybody see just how many people have not received their refund, and also the notices or any information that you want to provide on there as well. Okay, it's on the community tab on my channel, and that's why I put it up there. I do a poll just to see how many people haven't received that refund or how many people are going through the 60-day wait. Right now, I'm seeing a good many people going through the 60-day wait and the 120-day wait. Let's see. All right, you guys. Do you have any more questions and comments or anything that you want to say? Hopefully, on the next video, I will be able to screen share things for you because I like for you guys to see it for yourself what I share. Besides me just talking about it. But for some reason, it won't let me share stuff from the IRS. It won't let me share stuff from the Taxpayer Advocate today. Oh boy. Okay, I see IRS warn taxpayers they may be scam victims if they file for big refunds. I see that on there. Hey Rashad, welcome back. Hmm. I thought by now, Rashad, that you would be done got your money. You're the one from Michigan, right? Mm, I thought, show Rashad, you be done got yours. Yeah, I remember Rashad. I thought for sure that you had already got yours. I was surprised to see you on here. It's a wait, Rashad, just like so many people. I had an agent send a 30-day notice to the IRS department. Yeah, that's why I said. That's why I was telling everybody they didn't know what I was talking about. The IRS department. Yeah, that's what they were talking about big last year. A lot of people refunds are stuck in the IRS department. I did a video on that last year, but it's still on my channel under different letters and notices playlist. Well, you guys, all we can do is wait and see. Have to wait it out. Have to wait it out and see. Hopefully, you update for 05 cycle Friday. I'm hoping some of you guys update. I wish it was everybody updated on Friday, but it depends on the cycle that you in. So hopefully on Friday, some of you will update, and also on Saturday, and then you receive the due date of, let me see. Everybody know it's be the next Wednesday. I should know by now, but other dates as well. It don't necessarily have to be that Wednesday, but most time it is on the 29th. Yeah. Most of you guys who do update will receive the due date of the 29th, and it could be the 27th, that Monday, the 29th, or the 31st. That Monday, that Wednesday, or that Friday that you could get your refund. And I hope, again, you guys, that y'all receive y'all money soon. I do too. I hope it updates, especially for those who have been waiting so long. Yes. Yeah, they hit you with that verification. You had to wait that 9 weeks, and sometimes they hit you with that a different code to make you wait a little longer. And you be want to see that everybody waiting on that 846 code. Everybody waiting on that code to show up. And that due date beside it. Any other questions before I log off? I'll be back on here Saturday. So I'm gonna see how many of you guys update on Saturday. Check the WMR on Saturday. Sometimes that WMR does not update, you guys, so you could get your money anyway. Again, continue for those of you. Some of you still check your bank accounts. My son not last year, the year yes, it was last year. Yeah, last year he got it in late June. He had gave up on his refund. They had sent him a CPO 5 letter, 2 of them. He had 120-day waits on his refund. He was at work, and it just appeared in his bank account. So don't forget, you guys, I'm telling you this before I go off. Make sure you continue to check your bank accounts as well, okay? And don't give up on your refund, okay? And y'all have a great day, and I hope that your refund updates the information and you receive your refund soon.